Hi, today I will discuss, I can explain about this, more about the Linux operating system with the basic commands. How can you deal with the Linux operating system basics? Like if you want to create any directory or you have to create any file system or you can check the file system size like that, we have to deal with some basic commands. The command, if you want to check any system date, we need to use the command as date. Date is the command to check the system date. Now it's showing the Saturday with the time zone of EDT. EDT means US time zone. If you want to check it, that date is the command to check the system date. Similar way, if you want to check calendar, we need to use the cal. If you use the cal command, it will display the particular month calendar. Cal is the command. If you want to use the particular year, you need to provide the year. It will show the year calendar. And if you want to check this, what is host name my system, with the command of host 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 name. Host name is the command to check display the host name. My host name of this mission is this server. I created as a server is my host name. If you want to check kernel version, we need to use the uname -r. This is the command to check kernel version. Now my kernel version is the 3.10. This is the kernel version of my operating system. If you want to check the kernel version along with the system name, the operating system, we can use the uname-a. Whenever using the uname-a, it will show the Linux is flavor of my operating system, server is my name of the host mission, 3.10.0.1062 EL78x64 is the my kernel version. This is Thursday, July 18 is the system date, and kernel architecture, CPU architecture, and GNU Linux. And run level is the command to check the system run level. Which run level my system is booted. That's a system run level. And if you want to check what is the current directory, if you use the pwd is the current directory. Pwd is the command to check the present working directory. If you want to change the directory, we need to use cd is the command to change the directory. If you want to change the directory, cd/tmp, we need to use the cd/tmp. Then it will change the directory from currently it's showing the /root directory. From the root directory, I am navigate to the another directory. It's called as cd/tmp. Use the cd, it will changing of directory. Now I am checking the pwd. Now directories has been changed from /root to /tmp. That is the command to change of directory. If you want making any directory, like if you not create any directory, we can use mkdir, the directory name. Right now, I'm creating one test directory. Test. If you want check this, we need to use ls-l. Now the directory test has been created with the timestamp of today. When was this created, and it's getting ls. ls is the command to list the content inside the directory. Similar way, if you need to create any empty file, we can use the touch is the command to create empty file. File 1. Now we can check it. What is the inside the directory? ls-l with the along with the file permission ownership with the content. Now file 1 is also created. ls the command to list it. And we need to check who am I is the command. Sorry, spell mistake. Who am I the command. It will display the which user are currently loading my system. Now it's showing the root. Why? Because just I logged in the system as a root. The root user, it will show the who am I command. If you want similar way, w is the command to display the along with the features of from which system and when was it logged in with this user detail along with the system, which system is logged in and what is he doing, present, what is the command he is going to execute the command. Now, if you want more about that command, if you want delete the file, we can use rm, the file deletion, rm with the file name to delete the file. It will ask the confirmation, we need to provide a confirmation, we will delete. Similar way, we need to delete the empty directories. We can use rmdir, the command to delete the directory. I'm going to delete it with the what I created directory test. It's deleted the directory. Similar way, we can go with going forward more commands up to now, creation, deletion, and making the directories. If you want creating any file with the cat command, we can use cat with the greater than symbol, file1. Now it will open the input mode. If you want, you can type the data. Hi, hello, this is test demo file data, like entry. I'm typing some text lines with this data entry on Linux server. After entering the data, we need to save this file. With this command, we need to press the Control D. Now, with the data, we have to enter the input mode with the cat command. If you display the data, we need to use the cat the file. It will display the entire data. Similar way, we have the one more command to list the file name along with this how many words. WC is the command to list out the line number, word number, and correct. Now it's showing this first four. The number is line and 14 is the words. Similar way, 17 is the character. It will display the files. WC word count. We need to use the WC is the command to word count. If you want get only line of data, we need to use -flag as L. If it will get the only line. Similar way, I need to get only word count. How many words in my file? We need to use W. If you need get this similar way, I need to get the character count. We need to use C. It will display the whatever exact data. And head is the command to display the 10 lines. The file one having the lines, how many lines? 14 lines is there. From the 14 lines, just I display the top 10 lines. Similar way, tail is the command to display the bottom 10 lines. Sorry, instead of file one. If we execute this command, now it's showing the bottom 10 lines. Compare with these two files, head and tail. Head is the command to display the top 10 lines. Tail is the command to display the bottom 10 lines. If you want content, whole content, we need to use cat is the command to display the whole content of the data. This is the file manipulations to display the data. Okay guys, I'm hoping this is the basics, like how will you deal with this uptime. And one more I will tell that uptime is the command to display the system. When was my system is booted and what is the time of uptime. And if you want who minus b, it will show this when was my system is booted. Sorry, it's the wrong command. Who hyphen b. My system is booted at 3 to a similar way. This time is showing here also 3:12. The system is up when from 12 minutes before itself. If we calculate 12 minutes, 3:24. Right now is 3:24. 12 minutes up. My system is from past 12 minutes. My system is up. This is the command to If you want check it run level also, we have to use the who minus r. It will show the run level. That is the related to basic command to deal with this. Okay guys, thanks.